guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Just like I showed you earlier, I'm going to be making that pretty hairstyle for my baby girl Choma. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Inkiruka and this channel is all about kids hairstyle. Of course, we also do a little bit of vlog, but it's mostly the hairstyle. So if this is your first time of seeing us and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. So thank you so much for stopping by. Now watch this video, and if there is any correction that you would like to give, or if there is any suggestion, if there is any question you would like me to answer for you, please do well to leave that in the comments and drop a comment for me. Even if you don't know what to comment, leave an emoji for me, and also like this video. I really appreciate that because it's going to send a signal to the algorithm that the video is good, and you can also help me by sharing the video. So thank you so much as you stopped by, and I'm going to now leave you to watch the video. Thank you so much. If you're still watching up to this moment, please kindly drop this emoji for me in the comments. This is the final look of the hairstyle. Do you like this hairstyle? Let me know in the comments. Will you be trying this hairstyle? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and sticking to the end of this video. And if you're going to be trying this out, please, if you try it out, tag me. I would like to see it, or you can even send me the pictures so that I can see your beautiful mix. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.